Hi guys, I just filmed a reveal for a previous video, but I wanted to unbox this acrylic plate thingy because in this video I want to make like a fake stained glass project. So I ordered an arched acrylic plate online. I was planning to just buy a rectangular sheet of acrylic sheet, I don't know how to say that in English, and then cut out the shape myself, but it turned out to be cheaper to just order it online with the arch already on it. So I'm gonna unbox it now and show you guys what it looks like, and then we can start painting on this acrylic sheet and turn it into a fake stained glass project. There's still foil on it, but this is the size, it's huge. I actually didn't expect it to be this huge. By the way, is it an acrylic sheet or an acrylic plate? I have no idea how to say it in English, but this is what it looks like. I bought this type of paint in my local craft store, and it should be appropriate for like glass and other transparent smooth objects. So I bought a few of these. These were very expensive, like €5 per paint bottle, but I'm gonna use this. But first we need to design an illustration that we'll put on the acrylic sheet. I was inspired by this TikTok that I saw on TikTok, obviously, and it inspired me to make my own fake stained glass artwork. So I just wanted to put that in this video because I always want to give credit if I have seen another artists doing something. So yeah, just wanted to put that in the video. I honestly don't know what I filmed already for this video because I'm always filming 4 different videos at the same time. But today I want to do the drawing. I'm still kind of doubting in what I want for the design. I was thinking either a Pokemon design because I'm really into Pokemon again lately. Well, I have always been into Pokemon. Or maybe like a cat who is playing with a ball of yarn or something like that. I have no idea. I'm gonna look at the colors that I've bought to see which color palette I can use, and then I'm gonna base my drawing on those colors, and that's all I want to do today for this project. These are all the colors that I bought, so not a lot actually, but I feel like I can still do something with these colors. I was first thinking to do a Gengar, but he has red eyeballs, so I'm not sure what I'll do yet. I think I'm first gonna look up some inspiration and then we're gonna go to the drawing board. By the way, this is Mona, and like in between all her pillows, she always takes up like a whole part on our couch, which is very cute. I decided to go with Victory Bell because the colors seem to line up with what I already had for the paint. I only had purple instead of pink, but I think it can still work. I looked up some stained glass pieces on Pinterest and kind of based my design on it. I also made a lot of connecting lines to give the real stained glass effect. This is the design that I just printed out. It will be huge on like the acrylic sheet. And please ignore like the brown tape. I could have used transparent tape, but I didn't think about that, so it looks a bit weird now, but I'll still be able to see the image through the acrylic sheet. And now I'm gonna go to my kitchen table, and I'm super stressed to try out the glass paint because I have no idea if it will actually be the right paint and be easy to use. So I guess I'll see, but first I'll have my lunch. I actually wanted to go to the grocery store before this, but I think I'll go when I have done the outlines so that they have a bit of time to dry. Okay, how does this go off? Hello. Let's do the peel now. Oh. get started, I think. So the paint was very blobby, and I feel like if you're maybe a tattoo artist, you would be better at applying this paint. But I don't really have a steady hand, and you needed to make a very smooth movement with your hands and like push on the bottle like the same amount every time, and it was very hard for me, and it turned out very blobby. I think on the video it looks quite good, but when you see it in real life up close you can see a lot of unevenness. But I think it's fine. You can't expect to do a do-it-yourself project like this and that it turns out perfect like actual stained glass, because of course you can't expect that. But still, my materials were quite expensive. I think I paid a total of like 50 euros or maybe even more for this whole project, so I really hope it's worth it. But yeah, I applied the black paint and then I needed to wait for 2 more hours until it's dried, until I could color in between the lines, and I think it turned out fine. I think the result will be very nice, but I'm just a little bit perfectionistic about like the blobbiness, but it's fine, it's fine. Look who joined me! She's extra snuggly today. Hey, Beanie? And this is what I'm working on now. Well, obviously, because this video is about this whole project, about Let's Continue. She just wanted to say hi for a second, I think. Okay guys, I think it's done, so now I'll let it dry for about 24 hours and then we can see the final result. So it's the next day and apparently it's still drying because Evert has put this little mark on it by accident. And I'm not really mad at him about it because I would probably have done the same now, because I actually wanted to film the reveal, but you can kind of see the lighter green. I think it's not dry yet. So I'll probably have to film the reveal tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna try to put a little bit of green on top of it and hope I don't ruin it even more. But I guess we'll see tomorrow. This light is so flashy, but the app doesn't work anymore. It doesn't connect with the app, so I can't put the light dimmer. So I don't know what to do with this light. So guys, I'm gonna show you the result in just a second. I just wanted to talk about a few things before showing the result. First of all, if you also make a stained glass creation, well, a fake one, a fake stained glass creation, please tag me on socials. You can find my socials in the description. also follow me, by the way. I was also thinking it would be like a cool business idea to make custom illustrations for clients and then make them on an acrylic sheet like I just did, and then maybe make a little chest around, like behind the acrylic sheet, and put lights in it. I don't know, I think that would be so fun for like logos or custom text for clients. That would be like a fun business idea, but I'm not self-employed at the moment, so maybe that will be something for in the future. I have many ideas for like custom designs. I also really want to do murals in the future, and I don't really know if I'm gonna have a web shop, but I have a lot of ideas for custom designs for clients. And now of course this fake stained glass idea has come into the picture as well. By the way, I was talking about how I wasn't angry at Evik for like this quote-unquote destroying my piece with his finger, but I was thinking I never get angry about anything, but I do get very angry when I'm doing a simple task and it's not working out. For example, I was trying on this necklace just a second ago and I was becoming so angry. Guys, I can really not do this anymore. I have put on the necklace upside down again for the second time. How did I do this? I'm just gonna not wear this necklace, I think, because it's so annoying to— oh my god, please, please, please. Oh my god, I did it. Also, these videos take quite a lot of money to make, at least for me, because I'm not earning any money with it. I think each video takes like about 30 to 50 or even more euros to make for me, so I was thinking to maybe sell a few of my crochet items, for example this wall hanging, and I also want to sell maybe these items. I will look into my stash of self-made items to see what I will actually wear and what I don't want to wear, and I will probably sell them maybe on Vinted. Okay, but now's the time to show the final result. I'm sorry to keep rambling, but there were just a few things I wanted to talk about. Okay, this is kind of awkward because the background isn't white and also it's reflecting a lot of light, but this is the result. I'll show a better video, but this is it up close. I really like it. I did some final touch-ups when the most part was dry, because you could see kind of the edges, especially of like the green and the purple. I kind of fixed it up a little bit so that it's filled more evenly at the sides, and I really like how it turned out. I think I'll put this on my desk maybe when I have my studio space, because it's actually huge, and I'll have like some shelves on the background behind my desk, but I don't think this will fit. Maybe it will. I have so many decoration items that I made myself that I want to display in my studio space, but yeah, I really like it. I really like how it turned out. And also please like and engage with this video, because I'm expecting this video to do quite poorly, because usually when I do like a crafty video that's not crochet or a vlog, it does very bad when it comes to views. So please engage with this video so that more people can see it, because I'm very proud of this and I really want to do more crafty stuff on this YouTube channel. I'm gonna put this here for now. It looks quite ugly, but I currently have no space to really put it somewhere since we're still working on my studio space. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day or night. See you next week. Bye bye!